There, this is Sarah from sarahdesign.com, and I'm excited to announce a new bundle going live in my shops. This is my mock-up bundle for all three of the white mugs I have in my shop, and that is both glittered and non-glittered, plus you get a bonus background as well. So this has my latte mug, my 14-ounce tapered mug, and my 12-ounce square mug. And the 12-ounce mug isn't even published yet as of this recording, but it will be very soon. So check on that when you see this video because it should be live by then. But regardless, you will be able to get all three mugs in one package together. This is the new 12-ounce square stoneware mug cover image to show you, and then there's the non-glittered version as well. But the bundle includes both. So you're essentially getting 6 files in there. But if you're familiar with my stuff, you'll know that if you get the glitter version, you can always turn off the glitter. It's just that if you're not a glitter person, that might be a little confusing. So I went ahead and included all the links and downloads to the non-glitter version as well. So you get this 14-ounce mug in there, both the glittered and non-glittered. You get the latte mug, glittered and non-glittered, and then our new 12-ounce one. So I'm super excited to put this bundle together now that I have a few mugs in the shop. And I think I even have another mug around here that I need to turn into a mock-up, which I'll probably add to this bundle later. So when you buy it, it's just going to get better later on. Hope you enjoy it, and happy selling!